Hey John, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to go over some tools and techniques that you could use to help bring in more customers to your website and ultimately your business. I'm just going to scratch the surface here on the SEO and just kind of show you some, like I said, free tips and tricks you could start doing to get your business ranking higher in Google and therefore bring in more clicks. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So first off, the first and easiest thing you could do is add content. So just scrolling through your homepage here, I can tell that it's well short of the minimum that Google has outlined of 1,500 words on a homepage. Now, when I say words, it doesn't necessarily need to be a word such as typed out, but it's anything you can highlight. So as you can see, this is highlightable, these were highlightable, and that photo is highlightable, and what it was saved as would be a content keyword. But the issue with that is that you're not getting great keyword play on your main page. Now, when we look at keywords, which are very important, it's anything searched in the search bar. So for example, I typed in rug cleaning Phoenix, and we can see the top competitors are Coit and Zero Eyes Phoenix. So let's just click on Zero Eyes Phoenix, or Zero Res, sorry, and we can see that this is their website. It's got a lot more content, a lot more actionable things you can click on, you can highlight, and then they have a lot of different services besides just rug cleaning. It seems like they do, rugs, commercial, tile, stone carpet, etc. So they have a lot more sites or pages that can be indexed. So they're going to get more keywords. Now let's just see how important keywords are. So if we go to their webpage, we can see that they have 3.8 thousand keywords within their full website. And what's important about that is these are the exact phrases that are searching Google. So for example, we see that they have Phoenix carpet cleaning. They're in the number 2 position in Google, and that's searched 1,000 times a month. So they're getting almost 1,000 people most likely to click because they're the second website. Google released that 80% of people won't scroll past the first page of Google. So if you're not on the first page, chances are people aren't seeing your website. So you want to make sure that you're in the top. Now, the third thing I'm going to talk about is the way you get to the top, and that's going to be your SEO. And so these are backlinks. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another, and when that happens, it transfers power. Now, when the power is transferred, it helps boost your domain rating. As we can see here, they have an 18. The domain rating is the authority or power of your website, and it's basically a big popularity contest. However, it's more than just the number here. You want to have quality backlinks from websites with good power, but also relevant to your business. So we can look at your website as well. Here's your URL. You have a 4. Now you do have 600 backlinks, but you are only driving in 300 traffic. Whereas we look at them, they have 1.6 and they're driving in 7.7 thousand. They're also being found for way more keywords. So it's just important to know these little facts of SEO to try and bring in more business, because ultimately that's the goal. Now in closing, we discussed 3 things. We discussed the importance of backlinking and your SEO. We discussed having good keywords, and we discussed having 1,500 words or more on the homepage. Now there's many more tips, tricks, and techniques to use to get your website on the front page of Google. So if you want to hear more, or you just have questions about the video or feedback, then shoot me a message back or give me a call. Again, my name's Craig, and you can call me at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.